Hello, hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm pretty well. How about you?
I'm very good, and thank you for asking.
I'm very glad I am connecting with you because I watched so many videos of you on YouTube.
Yeah,
You speak very well. And I have one question for you. How can you,
yes,
what are the method do you do for your learning English?
ma'am. As per my understanding, if anything we are going to learn, anything we are going to write learning process. So if we are not practice on that, so that it is very difficult to learn actually, and there is no any substitute for that. You want to learn, and you can learn on easy way. So first of all, you need to do more and more practice, then only possible to learn. So if I talk about my journey, so I usually am trying to connect with the multiple people, no, new strangers. I'm
Mm.
using some application through I'm connecting to the people on voice calls. I'm using these platform. I'm talking to the people in front of the camera, right? If we are talking front of the camera, right, we are getting like more and more confident, and you have confidence so that you will, day by day you can enhance your communication. You can, polish your communication. So it is
Yeah,
very good, and it is very important for English learning if you are doing on daily basis practice, right? So it is
yeah,
very important. So these kind of activity I'm doing. Also, apart from this activity, I'm watching English conversation video. As I told you, I'm watching your video also. I'm watching other people video also, so that
yeah,
for you will if you are watching other people video, you will get idea how people are talking actually. The way of talking, what sentences they are using, how they are talking, so you will get idea. So
yeah,
idea is also very important part for learning and speaking actually. If we are talking about our mother tongue, you are speaking since your childhood, I'm also speaking since my childhood. So if
mm,
in our native language, so nobody beat us, right? So we are more and more fluent on that. So nowadays we are just decided to learn English. Obviously we have to do more and more practice, then only possible to speak better. So
yeah,
that's why I'm doing these kind of steps, and it
yeah,
is going pretty good. I'm also enjoying with the process, and somewhere if you are not enjoying with the process, so it is very difficult to learn. So
yeah.
that's all I'm doing for my English journey.
I'm totally agree with you. You speak very well, right? And even I also felt same type of situation because sometimes whatever I'm doing something activity, but when I face some difficulties, I leave it that activity. Okay, but English is the
Right.
main. Like I enjoyed a lot. I never, boring while learning English. So if we
True.
have a courage, if we have an interest, we can do any situation. What are the difficulties? There is
True.
no matter. Okay. And
Right,
yeah,
right.
you said totally right. Like if we listen some videos, though when we know how people can trying to learn English and what are the thoughts of that people, and that's why we are running a YouTube channel so people can learn from our channel. I think it's a good way.
True.
Listening is a more
Right, right,
important.
ma'am.
Right. Okay. Would you like to introduce for yourself?
Yeah, definitely. I'm so sorry to forget to
No, no,
introduce
no, no.
myself. So my name is Asutosh, and basically I'm from Bihar. I'm living in my village. And if I talk about my education, so I have completed my bachelor degree in commerce, and nowadays I'm curious to learn English language. So I'm working on that, and it is going very good. So that's all about me.
What about your future plan? Are you completed master degree?
Yeah, I am thinking to complete MBA. And apart from this, I want to start something on YouTube. So in future, just I wanted to start broadcasting, broadcasting. So
Yes.
these kind of activities, just I want to start. So let's see.
Okay.
First of all, I need to become a good speaker. and then only possible to do these kind of activities.
Yeah.
So first of all, we need to talk, the way of talking, how we are talking, how we are pronouncing the words. So many things we have to work on, and then we can move on, right? So will take a
Okay.
lot of time, but it was my dream, and let's see what happened. It is
Yeah. Definitely,
possible or
you
not.
can do it. You can do it. You have ability
Yes,
to do something for yourself. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
And you getting you done bachelor in which BCom or BCA?
Honors. No, no, no.
Yeah.
BCom. BCom. I did account honors.
Okay. And main subject is account.
Yes, yes, right.
We both are same. I also completed BCom and MCom.
Okay, you completed your master.
Yes, I
So
completed master.
are you working professional or what?
I'm just let me introduce first myself.
Yeah, sure.
I'm
Yes.
Komal Hirani, and I belong from Gujarat in Rajkot city. And I'm housewife, and I have one child. And my hobbies like listening music, watching movies, painting, drawing. And nowadays, one and only one hobby I want to learn English language.
Mhm.
I'm eager to learn English language. That's all
Okay. Do
about
you
it.
have any passion to learn, or do you want to start something? So that's why you want to learn English.
No,
So
I'm just learning English for my son because I admitted into English medium school. So that's why I decided I want to learn because it's very necessary because I would like to go in his school meetings and even they his all books in English mediums like English books. So that's why
true,
it's necessary to learn this
true,
language
true,
for me.
true.
So it's a
Yeah,
help
yeah.
both of them.
Yes, it is completely true. And you are doing great, and someday you are achieve whatever you think in your
Yeah.
mind.
I know
So it
I'm
is
making
not a
so
big
many
deal.
mistakes, but I think it's
No, it is
definitely
fine. It's fine.
yeah,
See, I'll tell you one thing. If you are doing mistake, right, while conversation to other, so
yeah,
that is not a problem, right? When you are doing mistake, that mistake you learn a lot of things, right?
yeah,
And if you're doing mistake, you just watch your video where you did
yeah,
mistake, and then you just try to correct those mistake, and you just try to reduce those mistake, and slowly you can enhance your communications. So like that, I'm also practicing. i'm
yeah.
also I'm also doing a lot of mistake. You can see my video, and you will find a lot of mistake while
Hmm.
conversation. So that is not a problem. I'm not care about that. I'm just trying to reduce my mistakes so that I can like build my confidence and can reduce my mistake, and
Yeah,
I can enhance my communication. So these kind of thing I'm doing, and it is very important. And
yeah,
first of all, just people are not focusing on speaking. Many people, they are thinking their mind, okay, I need to learn grammar, I need to understand grammar. So grammar, it is really not like one day or 10 days activities. It will take a
yeah.
lot of time, right?
It's
If you know the
yeah,
basic, how to make translation, how to make sentences, and then you can start your speaking, right? And when you are speaking to other, then you will get idea that a little bit you will get confident. So slowly you can enhance your communication. So it is happen.
yeah.
So
Even
like
I
that, I'm
some
also
problems.
practicing.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
as I told you, I already face so many problems related to grammar. But when I start to speaking to connect, audio call on a video call, different people, then I realize while speaking, our grammar will be correct day by day. So if we are mugging the grammar, it's not working while speaking. I
True,
realize that.
true.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So
It is completely true. Yeah.
practice is more important. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Practice
I
is
have
a
a
very
question
important.
for you. You want to build
Mhm.
your future on a YouTube. So uh, just imagine one day like YouTube can't work. YouTube will be, stop like that application. What should you do?
Definitely, I'm not. Yeah, it is. Let's see what happen after that. There is no any plan, any alternative plan after YouTube. What I need to do, but yeah, if I stop this, so obviously something come new and we people they are moved to on that platform. So it
Yeah,
is
I
happen.
think
Yeah.
alternative application will be coming maybe if, because
Yes. And I told you one thing. YouTube, it's not a small thing, and we can they can like ban from India because YouTube belongs to the parent company is a Google, Microsoft. So it is very
okay.
difficult actually. So it
No,
is,
no, it's just
like
imaginary situation, just a random conversation. There is no, it's not possible. Just
no,
I'm
no, yeah,
asking.
yeah. So yeah, yes, yes, true.
Okay. One day, if you are a billionaire, what should you do? Like, what kind of
I
activity
know.
fulfill your wish? Which
See,
kind of?
yes, so if I get like a good response from YouTube, people are like my video and they watch my videos. So that obviously I want to start something like own and like that I want to invite the people in my place so that I can take uh, his or her interview and that video I'm just post to the like on YouTube. Yeah,
Okay.
and also I want to start my application also, my personal application, and so that I can post my video over there. And also I want to start many things. I decided in my mind, so like that I want to work on.
Okay, you have so many ideas for your future.